Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete this task on your YouGov dashboard. So you might get an email. This is not for everyone. It comes randomly. So you might get an email telling you that you have a new task on your dashboard that you need to complete your ID. You need to upload your ID card. That's an ID verification. And once upon successful completion, you earn 2,000 points. So that's very cool. 2,000 points. So to complete this task, you have to click on this button here, which is check it now. So once you click on the button, you'll be redirected to the YouGov homepage. I think it will ask me to log in. That's for those if I have not logged in on this browser before, or we have to wait for it. The internet might be bad, so this video might take a while. Okay, so here now we have to put in our email address. So make sure you put in the YouGov email address that is corresponding with the account. So I'm going to use the email address. Let me just type it in. At gmail.com. So once you're done with the email address, click on the next button, and then they are going to send the code to the email address. So let's wait for the code. The code should pop up anytime soon. Once the code comes in, okay, I've gotten the code. So this is the code. Once you put the code, you click on sign in. And then once you sign in, you're going to see that on your home page, you might see something about account being blocked or account has been locked. So until you complete the ID verification, you won't have access to any other YouGov feature. So let me just allow it to load completely. So you see here, it's saying your account has been flagged for a quick human check. That's to check that you're a human. So this helps us ensure that the data we collect is trustworthy. So if you try to do anything else, the only button that is active is the logout button. So you can't do anything on your YouGov account. You won't be getting surveys until you complete the ID verification. So just come over here and then click on the earn 2,000 points and wait for it to load. So it's going to come down here, scroll down, and I'm happy to verify using UT. Then I understand that the point awarded will be made, just stuff like that. Once you do this, click on next button. So they'll ask you for your first name, middle name, and whatever. So just use the name as it is on your ID card. So make sure the name you're using is the same as it is on your ID card. So let me go back to the ID card and confirm that it's the same name. Let me see. Okay, so calm down. Then middle name. Okay, no, we won't put our middle name. Then click on next. So to do this, you need an ID that corresponds with the account. So if you're in UK, it will be a UK YouGov account. If you're in US account. If you're in, but I heard, according to someone, I heard that if you're in the US, you can still use your international passport as a Nigerian. Just make sure it corresponds with the profile. So you click on verify my ID, and you'll be taken to a part where you'll be asked to upload. You're going to upload your ID cards. So let's hold on and wait for it to start. So what type of documents you want to use? So go back and then click on, let's use our computer. You'll be asked if you want to use your smartphone or a computer. So we're going to use a computer for this. So you select your issuing country, which is United States. Yeah, United States. Then you select the documents, which is it depends on the document you want to use. But for this account, I'll be using driving license. So you click on your driving license and then click on next. Then you click on this button, which is to upload the photo. Then you click on browse files. This would take you to your file manager where you can upload pictures of your documents you already have on your device. So I already have the pictures of the documents, so I just have to come here and then put this and then click on open. So this is the document I want to use, which is the ID card I want to use, which is a driver's license. So make sure the document you're using corresponds with what's on your YouGov account. Now, okay, they need the back of the documents, so I'll go again and I'll come back here and then I'll upload the back of it. I'll click on open, then you click on upload. So it tells you not to close your browser, like scanning the license, and it usually takes a minute, but it won't take up to a minute. Just wait for it and allow it to do its thing. Don't forget to join our Telegram group. Our Telegram group is active. This is where we share lots of updates on surveys and stuff like that. So the next part you have to do now is a quick scan of your face. So they need to scan your face to see if it corresponds with the document you have. So you click on continue, and then you need to come over here and then consent. So you click on this and you click on that to consent with this too, and you come down again, you scroll down and then click on continue again. So get ready to scan your face. Make sure you have your camera ready, eye level and stuff like that. Then you click on continue once you are ready. But make sure that document you are using, this face on the document is the same face on your YouGov account. So you click on continue. And wait for it to load. So it's preparing camera. So once you are done with uploading the ID and doing the facial verification, I paused that part because I don't want you guys to my camera would have been used for part of the verification and I couldn't do it while I'm recording. So once you are done with it, you go back to your email, and then after some seconds you should get this kind of message. Look at it. Thank you for verifying. You've earned 2,000 bonus points for verifying your ID and stuff like that. So once you get this, it means that you verified your ID and your account is back open. And one thing you should know is that once you've done that, you get this blue check. Look at this blue check. Yes, this blue mark like tick. It's showing that your account is now verified. You won't get issues with YouGov anymore, and you'll be getting lots of surveys. So come back and then you see now, look, I'm a verified member. So this usually happens to US accounts. So I don't think you get these issues with UK and other countries' account, but US account. So you get your verified badge, and then my account is back open and I can use it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're not a member of my Telegram channel, check the video description for the Telegram link, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.